Welcome. In this video, I'm tidying up my formal living and dining area and adding a few items for fall. This table sometimes becomes the drop zone for whatever is brought into the house. I tend to not let it get too far out of hand since it is a common area and the first room you see as you enter the home. I like the look of a settee in a dining area, so I faked one by combining 3 Parson chairs together and adding a covering for a uniform look. As you can see, I have an eclectic style. I like what I like. The seating around this dining table are all different, along with various patterns and textures. Here, I'm showing you a disinfectant cleaner that I made with rubbing alcohol and water. I keep ads that come through the mail. You know, that pesky junk mail, and use them to clean glass and mirrors. This helps me not to waste paper towels. Now, I'm wiping off the benches with the same disinfectant and a microfiber cloth. My family and I live in a small house, so it's important to keep the common areas tidy. If we have guests, this is typically the room we would be in, so it needs to be presentable. time to add a little bit of fall decor, and I mean a little bit. I'm not big on decorating for the seasons. I prefer to keep things the same, with the exception of rearranging items around the home from time to time. I DIY'd these pumpkins from the Dollar Tree a few years ago with a silver metallic colored spray paint and embellished a few, with the exception of the white ceramic one. I will probably keep them displayed until about December. Thank you for spending some time out of your day with me. I hope you received some motivation to tidy up your living room space. I hope you have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.